None.
Is your food medicine or poison?
Today, we're diving into the top 5 healing foods that should be on your plate every day.
First up, leafy greens like spinach and kale. Packed with vitamins, they help detoxify your body.
Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, you name it. They're little antioxidant powerhouses, Shut.
Third, fatty fish like salmon. Rich in omega-3s, they fight inflammation and boost heart health. Fourth, nuts and seeds.
Think almonds and chia seeds. They're great for your brain and keep you feeling full. And number 5, garlic.
This tiny bulb is a natural antibiotic and immune booster.
So what if the secret to your health was hiding in your fridge all along?
Bonus tip. Ever heard of turmeric? This golden spice is fantastic for reducing inflammation.
Add it to your meals for a health kick.
Remember, your kitchen could be your best pharmacy. Stay healthy and stay vibrant. Welcome back. Now that we've covered the top 5 healing foods, let's dive deeper into one of them, leafy greens. These nutritional powerhouses are more than just a side dish.
First off, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are incredibly rich in vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining good vision, boosting your immune system, and aiding in blood clotting. But that's not all.
Leafy greens are also high in fiber, which helps regulate your digestive system and keeps you feeling full longer. This can be especially beneficial if you're trying to manage your weight.
Did you know that leafy greens contain antioxidants that fight off free radicals? Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and diseases. By incorporating more greens into your diet, you're essentially giving your body a shield against these harmful molecules.
And let's not forget about the minerals. Leafy greens are rich in iron, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are essential for bone health, muscle function, and overall well-being.
So next time you're at the grocery store, don't skip the produce aisle. Add some leafy greens to your cart and give your body the nutrients it craves. Stay tuned for more health tips, and remember, your journey to better health starts with the food you eat. For more information, visit knowledgeyourhealth.com.
Welcome back.
Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of leafy greens,
let's shift our focus to another group of superfoods: berries.
These small but mighty fruits pack a nutritional punch that can transform your health.
First up, let's talk about their antioxidant properties.
Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants,
Which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals.
this not only aids in reducing inflammation, but also lowers the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer.
Berries are also a fantastic source of fiber.
Just a handful can help you meet your daily fiber needs.
Promoting digestive health and helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable.
This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their weight or improve their gut health. But that's not all.
Berries are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, and folate.
Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and boosting your immune system.
While manganese plays a vital role in bone development and metabolism.
Folate is essential for cell growth and function, making berries particularly beneficial for pregnant women.
And let's not forget their potential to improve brain health.
Studies have shown that the antioxidants in berries may help delay brain aging and improve memory and cognitive function.
So, adding berries to your diet could be a delicious way to keep your mind sharp as you age. Wow.
So next time you're looking for a sweet and nutritious snack, reach for a handful of berries.
Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie,
These little fruits can make a big difference in your health.
Stay tuned for more health tips. And remember, a healthier you starts with the food you choose.
Let's see the next amazing healers.
Welcome back.
Now that we've delved into the wonders of berries, let's turn our attention to another powerhouse group of foods: nuts and seeds.
these small yet mighty snacks are packed with nutrients that can significantly boost your health.
First, let's talk about their healthy fats.
Nuts and seeds such as almonds.
Walnuts, chia seeds,
And flax seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids.
These essential fats are crucial for heart health, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease.
But the benefits don't stop there.
Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of protein and fiber.
Making them a perfect snack for maintaining energy levels and keeping you full between meals.
The combination of protein and fiber helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels.
which is particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain a healthy weight.
In addition, these tiny powerhouses are packed with vitamins and minerals.
For instance, sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E,
which acts as an antioxidant and supports skin health.
Meanwhile, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium.
Essential for muscle function and bone health.
And let's not forget their potential to boost brain health.
Walnuts in particular are known for their high levels of DHA.
a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's essential for brain development and cognitive function.
Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet can help keep your mind sharp and improve memory.
Nuts and seeds are incredibly versatile.
You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt,
or simply enjoy them as a snack.
Whether you prefer them raw, roasted,
or blended into nut butter.
These nutrient-dense foods are a delicious way to enhance your diet.
So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack,
reach for a handful of nuts or seeds.
With their numerous health benefits,
they truly are nature's little miracles.
Stay tuned for more health tips.
And remember, a healthier you starts with the food you choose.
let's go for the next amazing natural healing food.
welcome back.
Now that we've explored the magic of nuts and seeds, let's dive into the healing properties of herbs.
These natural wonders have been used for centuries to promote health and well-being.
First, let's talk about the most well-known herb for its medicinal properties, ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects.
It can help alleviate nausea, reduce muscle pain and soreness, and even support heart health by lowering blood sugar levels. Next up is turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound.
Turmeric is often used to reduce inflammation and has been studied for its potential role in preventing chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's.
Another herb with impressive health benefits is garlic. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties due to its high content of sulfur compounds, such as allicin.
Regular consumption of garlic can help combat illnesses like the common cold and may also reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, promoting heart health.
Don't forget about the soothing effects of chamomile. Chamomile is widely used to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality.
Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help with digestive issues and skin conditions.
And let's not overlook the power of rosemary. This fragrant herb is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds.
Rosemary has been shown to improve digestion, enhance memory and concentration, and even promote hair growth.
Incorporating herbs into your daily routine is easy and flavorful. You can add them to your meals, brew them into teas, or even take them as supplements.
By doing so, you'll be harnessing their natural healing properties to support your overall health.
So next time you're cooking or making a cup of tea, consider adding some of these powerful herbs.
Their numerous health benefits make them a valuable addition to your diet.
Stay tuned for more health tips. And remember, a healthier you starts with the food you choose.
Start supporting Knowledge Your Health.
Welcome back. Now that we've uncovered the healing properties of herbs, let's move on to another essential component of a balanced diet: whole grains.
Whole grains are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being.
First, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is quinoa. Quinoa is not just a grain, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans.
Additionally, quinoa is rich in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, which can help lower blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol, and promote heart health. Next up is oats. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various forms such as oatmeal, granola, or even oat milk.
They are high in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that is known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Oats are also a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a perfect start to your day.
Brown rice is another whole grain that deserves a spot on your plate. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its bran and germ, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Regular consumption of brown rice can aid in digestion, help manage weight, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease.
Let's not forget about barley. This ancient grain is loaded with fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol and improve blood sugar control. Barley is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including selenium, which plays a crucial role in metabolism and thyroid function.
Whole grain bread is another convenient way to incorporate whole grains into your diet. When choosing bread, look for options that list whole grains as the first ingredient. Whole grain bread is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. It's also packed with essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins.
Incorporating whole grains into your daily routine is simple and delicious. You can add them to salads, soups, and even desserts. By doing so, you'll be reaping their numerous health benefits, from improved digestion to better heart health.
So next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to include a variety of whole grains. Their nutritional value makes them a vital part of a healthy, balanced diet. Stay tuned for more health tips, and remember, a healthier you starts with the food you choose. Is there any human-friendly bacteria? Let's see.
Welcome back.
Now that we've explored the importance of whole grains, let's dive into another category of healing foods that you should consider adding to your daily diet: fermented foods.
Fermented foods are not only delicious, but also packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut.
First up is yogurt. Yogurt is a well-known fermented food that is rich in probiotics, particularly lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These probiotics can help improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even enhance mental health by influencing the gut-brain axis.
Opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars and artificial ingredients. Next, we have sauerkraut. This tangy fermented cabbage is loaded with probiotics, fiber, and vitamins C and K. Sauerkraut can aid in digestion, support immune function, and reduce inflammation.
It's a great addition to salads, sandwiches, or as a side dish. Kombucha is another popular fermented food. This fizzy fermented tea is rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and organic acids that can help detoxify the body, improve digestion, and boost energy levels. Just be mindful of the sugar content in some commercial brands.
Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, is another excellent fermented food. Made from fermented vegetables like cabbage and radishes, kimchi is packed with probiotics, vitamins, and minerals. It can help improve gut health, boost the immune system, and even contribute to weight loss.
Miso is a fermented soybean paste commonly used in Japanese cuisine. Rich in probiotics, protein, and essential nutrients, miso can support gut health, improve digestion, and provide a savory flavor to soups, marinades, and dressings.
Don't forget about kefir. This fermented milk drink is similar to yogurt, but has a thinner consistency and a higher probiotic content. Kefir can help improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even promote better skin health.
Incorporating fermented foods into your daily diet is easy and can provide numerous health benefits. You can enjoy them as snacks, side dishes, or even main ingredients in your meals.
By doing so, you'll be supporting your gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being.
Stay tuned for more health tips, and remember, a healthier you starts with the food you choose. Let's dive into healthy fats which burn fat.
Welcome back.
After exploring the wonders of fermented foods, it's time to delve into another essential component of a healing diet: healthy fats.
Healthy fats are crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. They provide energy, support cell growth, protect organs, and help absorb essential nutrients.
First on our list is avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Avocados are also packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, E, and K. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or simply enjoy them on toast for a nutrient-dense boost.
Next up is olive oil. Known for its heart-healthy benefits, olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Use extra virgin olive oil for drizzling over salads, cooking, or dipping bread.
Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are another excellent source of healthy fats. They provide a mix of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, along with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack or add them to your meals for an extra crunch.
Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve heart health, brain function, and even mood. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week.
Seeds, such as chia, flax and hemp seeds, are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, oatmeal or salads to boost your intake of healthy fats and other essential nutrients.
Lastly, don't forget about coconut oil. While it's higher in saturated fats compared to other oils, coconut oil can still be part of a healthy diet when used in moderation. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can provide a quick source of energy and may have various health benefits.
Incorporating healthy fats into your daily diet is essential for maintaining optimal health. They not only provide energy but also support various bodily functions and improve overall well-being. So don't shy away from fats. Just make sure to choose the right ones.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the top healing foods you need daily. Remember, a balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to a healthier you.
Well, support us and do visit knowledgeyourhealth.com.
Welcome back. The power of hydration. Water is essential for life.
After exploring the benefits of healthy fats, let's dive into one of the most fundamental aspects of health and well-being: hydration.
Water is essential for life, making up about 60% of our body weight.
It plays a critical role in maintaining bodily functions, including regulating temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste.
Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can have a profound impact on your energy levels, brain function, and even mood.
Drinking enough water can help keep your skin looking healthy and vibrant.
Proper hydration ensures that your skin remains elastic and can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles.
It also aids in digestion, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements.
But water isn't the only way to stay hydrated.
Fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, watermelons,
And oranges can also contribute to your daily hydration needs.
These foods not only provide hydration, but also supply essential vitamins and minerals.
Herbal teas are another excellent option.
They not only hydrate, but can also offer additional health benefits depending on the herbs used.
For example, chamomile tea can have a calming effect.
while peppermint tea can aid digestion.
Coconut water is a fantastic natural hydrator packed with electrolytes.
Making it an excellent choice after exercise or during hot weather.
It can help replenish lost fluids and keep you feeling refreshed.
Remember, the amount of water you need can vary depending on various factors such as your activity level.
The climate you live in, and your overall health.
A general guideline is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day.
But listening to your body and drinking when you're thirsty is also important.
Incorporating hydration into your daily routine doesn't have to be a chore.
Keep a water bottle handy. And make sure to drink enough water every day to stay hydrated and healthy.
Set reminders to drink water.
And enjoy hydrating foods and beverages throughout the day.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the top healing foods. And now, the power of hydration you need daily.
Remember, a balanced diet, proper hydration, and a variety of nutrient-dense foods are key to a healthier you.
See you next time.